Hiya, it's me, Carline Anglade-Cole, and I have been getting lots of emails about my new cover test challenge for my Crazy Copy System live mentoring show. The number one question, is this for real? Am I really going to help you create a cover and a headline that will get tested by one of my leading nutritional supplement companies in the industry, so that you can get a real tested writing sample for your portfolio? Am I really going to do that? Oh, the answer is YES, baby. Yes, I am. Absolutely. But that is not all. If your cover test actually works and beats my control, you will not only get a writing sample that's you're going to have an actual control, and guess what? I'm going to actually pay you personally for that. Yep, $500 for kicking my butt. Pretty cool, right? But hey, even that's not all. If you win, you beat my control, you get the right to wear this amazing I'm on a roll, I beat Carline's control t-shirt. Hey, you can't buy this anywhere. You have got to earn it, okay? You earn it by beating my butt, and I reward you by giving you not only $500, but this awesome t-shirt. That's some serious bragging rights, okay? I mean, it is some clout in this industry that you can let prospective clients know that you beat an A-list copywriter, that's me, and that you tell them, hey, I beat Carline. I can write a winning project, winning promotion for you too. Give me a shot. That is awesome opportunity for you to get your foot in that door, okay? You have a sample, you possibly have a control, and you got a great story. You got a great story you can, share with them. Like I said, it is really sweet. Anyway, since I am getting all these questions from you, and because time is running out to be able to participate in this Crazy Copy System live mentoring show cover test challenge, I am going to put together a live Zoom call on Wednesday, April 28th from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. I will be there to answer your questions in person. Okay, so bring it. Nothing is off the table. Let me know what you're worried about. Let me know your concerns. I want you to take advantage of this amazing opportunity because it will not last long. Oh, I'm swallowing my spit. Sorry. It will not last long. I don't want you to miss out. I want you to take advantage of it. If you got some fears, if you got questions that are unanswered, just bring it to me. Bring me those questions. I will do my best to answer them. I will be as honest with you as I possibly can. If I don't think you're a good fit for this, I will tell you. Keep your money, don't show up. If I think you can make it, I will let you know too, because I want you guys to win. This is awesome. Let me tell you, nobody is doing what I am offering you right now. Nobody is saying, hey, come work with an A-level copywriter and let her help you to, write a simple cover test like this. Something like this where you write a headline, you write some a deck copy to support that headline, and you write a little more paragraph or so here. You put some real proof elements, and you put a call to action that says something like guaranteed to work or you pay nothing. Do not worry about the design. You don't do design work. You're a copywriter. We'll get a design for you. But if you can write something like this with my help and you can make it work, oh my gosh, you have a sample, you possibly have a control, and you got an awesome story that you can go to clients with and say, let me show you what I can do for you. It doesn't get better than that. And I dare you to find anybody who is offering what I am offering to you right now, okay? It won't happen. Don't even bother looking for it. So I don't want you to miss out on the opportunity. Click on the link below to register because you have to register to show up. It's going to be, like I said, Wednesday, April 28th, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. It's only an hour. And it's live. It will not be recorded, okay? This will not be recorded. You don't have a lot of time. We are closing out enrollment in my Crazy Copy System Live Mentoring Show Cover Test Challenge. It ends Wednesday at midnight, and we start to work on Thursday. So exciting. So exciting. I just can't wait to get my hands on you. Okay, so anyway, you got questions, man, just show up and answer the questions. If you are already excited about this, then you got to join me. You're going to join me on this amazing adventure. You will not regret it. All right. So click on the link below to register, and I will see you Wednesday, April 28th, 4 p.m. sharp.